You will never have potato salad any other way again. This is my version of the viral smashed potato salad that has taken over the internet. And don't worry, the full recipe and method are down in the caption. Parboil your potatoes for 8 minutes, then pop them into a bowl and add all of the seasonings listed in the recipe. Give it a good old mix, then tip into a baking sheet along with some hot oil, then cook for 30 minutes. Use the base of a glass to smash down the potatoes, then return to the oven for another 30 minutes until crisp and golden. Flip them a few times just to make sure both sides are extra crispy. Just listen to that. These smashed potatoes are incredible just on their own, but now we're going to make the salad. So combine mustard, mayo, cucumber, onion, parsley and dill, along with a pinch of salt and some chilli for a nice kick. Mix together, then gently fold in the spicy smashed potatoes. I like to finish mine with a crumbling of feta cheese and some more herbs. Trust me, you will make this dish again and again. Make sure to follow for more incredible recipes that you can easily create at home. Absolutely banging.